Good day, mga partners kay Akas daw. Guys, sa mga nag-download ng token packet at nakapag-create na ng token packet. So, sa mga gusto pa mag-start, punta kayo sa Play Store. Ayan po. Ito po, dito po sa Play Store, i-type nyo lang yung token packet. Lalabas po itong token packet. Ayan, ito siya. So, sa Play Store nyo lang po madadownload at meron din sa Apple Store. Once na nakapag-download na kayo niyan, create wallet lang po. Ganito po yung lalabasan. Basta make sure yung network po ninyo ay Polygon-matic. So, ang network po natin ay Polygon-matic dahil mura po yung gas fee. Okay? So, kapag meron na po kayong wallet, ganito po siya. Lagi ang nasa unahan ay Polygon-matic po yan. Then, DAI. Okay, and then i-add token nyo po yung AS token. Ito sa ilalim, yung kulay itim, yung logo A. Yan. So, madali lang po siya. Lagyan nyo lang po ng Polygon-matic na 1. Pwede na po yan para kailangan nyo po ng Polygon-matic 1 para sa activation ng inyong account. Okay? So, hindi kayo makakapag-activate ng registration kung wala kayo ng 1 Polygon-matic, kahit isa lang. Kasi yan po ay gas fee to activate your account. Okay? So, and then, malapit po yan, may access na kayo sa blockchain ni Polygon Network. And then, make sure na mayroon kayong fund. Okay? May sapat kayo na pondo, enough fund, like DAI. So, ang DAI, tsaka USDT, parehas po sa mga stable coin. Okay? So, parehas kung $1 ang USDT, $1 din ang DAI. So, ganun po. So, either sa dalawa. Okay? So, ngayon po ay ito yung account ng anak ko. I will add fund $30 para to activate the account ng aking isang anak. Okay? So, yan po. So, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo itong procedure once na may wallet na kayo at may fund na kayo. Okay? And papakita ko sa inyo yung pag-staking. Okay po. So, dati nahirapan ako, kailangan ko pang lagyan ng USDT, then magsuswap pa ako USDT to AS token. Ngayon, sa loob ng ating dashboard ay meron na po siyang conversion. You can swap inside of our dashboard directly. Okay? So, yan po, nasa DAI tayo. Okay, so let's go inside ng ating dashboard kay Akas. So, click lang natin yung switch. Okay? Balik tayo sa ating wallet dito po sa asset natin. So, sa ilalim po ng inyong wallet may nakalagay na discover. Ayun o. Katabi ng logo na tao, me, tapos discover. Click nyo po yung discover. Parang Trust Wallet lang yan, yung browser. Okay, so dito tayo nagla-login. Okay? So, now reason bakit hindi tayo gumagamit ng mobile apps versus web browser sa blockchain, yung Web3 ay pwedeng pwedeng 1 billion ang registrar or mga members to join the project, the Akas daw. Kay sa mga apps browser po ay limited, kaya napapansin niyo po madalas mag-update ng mobile apps ang mobile apps po. Pero dito sa web browser ng Web3, kahit 1 billion po ang nagre-register, hindi siya mag-hang, hindi siya mag-error, wala pong issue to upgrade. Okay, so ganun po, kumbaga mas pinabilis at directly tayong nag-a-access. Okay, so ito po yung sa baba, click lang natin yung Akas, enter lang, login. Ganun na siya, hindi mo na kailangan maglagay password, maglagay pa ng fingerprint, whatever. So automatic po yan. Okay, so ito pala yung aking account. So disconnect lang po natin. Okay, tapos alright, yeah. So, kailangan natin yung address, wallet address. Ayan. Copy lang natin. So, mag-login lang po ako. Then, connect wallet lang po tayo. Wallet connect. Then, choose token packet. Yan, connect. So, ganun siya ka super easy. Then, password nyo lang po. Lagay lang natin yung password. Okay, then confirm. After confirm, so makaka-login po tayo. Then that's it. So naka-login tayo. Then let's go to menu. Dito sa tatlong guhit po sa taas, click nyo lang po yung menu. Okay, then lalabas po yung staking. So click nyo lang yung staking at meron pong lalabas na flexible staking at saka long-term staking. Okay, so the difference ng dalawa, okay, ay ang flexible staking good for daily. Okay, so daily earning, and then if you invite someone, you will not receive a commission. Okay, so that's the difference with the long term. If you choose long term staking, so once you invite more people, you will receive your reward. Okay, and then the good thing of long term, and you will receive a better profit. Okay, so yeah, choose the long term staking, and then I choose the long term staking now. Okay, and then yeah, so already highlighted stake. Okay, so once all highlighted, you will see the many choices of how many days you want to stake. So may 30 days, there is a 90 days, 180 days, 360 days, and that's it. Okay, so choose which one you like. Okay, so if you're comfortable with the 30 days, so you want to try, you want to see how's the system working, so choose the 30 days, because 30 days, it's too short period of time you can withdraw it. Okay, so yeah, so if you are um, um, a type of investor, very short uh, period of time, so better to choose short term. Okay, so also to make it sure the project still working. Okay, so yeah. Then select the arrow. Ito po yung arrow na to na orange. Click the arrow, and then you will see the amount to enter. Okay, so again, sorry. I need to swap first my token. Wait. Let's go to the swap. Wait. So let's go for swap. We need before we stake, I forget it. Before we stake, our tokens already in DAI, so we need to swap our DAI token into AS. Yeah, this is it. So yeah, then click the maximum. So we have 30 in AS token. We have 1.09. Okay, then click approve to swap. Okay, approve it, and then just enter your password. Okay, that's it. All right, confirm. It's done. We'll see. So it's appear successful, but I think there's still yeah, still in our dashboard 30. So let's try again on the second time. Okay, you need to do it second time to make it sure it's converted. Okay, sometimes it's failure. Solve. Yeah, that's it. So we need to repeat again. Okay, let's try. Okay, that's it. Now it's working. Swap successful. So you need to do it twice. Okay, so after we swap, click again the menu button. Yeah, the three line above, and then let's go back to staking. Long term. Okay, now we are in the long term stake. Okay, stake. Let's go for 30 days. And then, yeah, we have already AS token. Then, click the maximum, 1.1054. Okay, so let's approve. Okay, next step, approve again. So, remember, you need to remember your password, guys. Because Token Packet always asking your password just for confirmation. Okay, so better to write it down in your notebook so that you will not forget it. Okay, because very important, once you deposit, once you withdraw, they're always asking your password. Okay, same once you are withdraw in the ATM in the bank. Okay, so I think the same also on we do the swapping, we do twice, right? So the same on the staking, we need to do it twice also. Again, stake. Okay, let's confirm again for the second time. Yeah. So this system is always double check to make it sure all it's working and secure. Okay, that's it. Then click confirm until it's success. Okay, then that's it. Wow, yeah, stake successful. Yeah, so you need to do it twice. Okay, then go to the below the part of your dashboard. You will see transaction history successful, done. Amount AS 1.1. Type staking. So we are only plainly staking, okay? So transaction has, okay, that's it. Then successful. And then if you want to see how's working, more detail about your staking, click the unstake. Once you click the unstake, yeah, that's it. You will go directly here. Then click the arrow and you will see the timer. Yeah, see? So we choose 30 days, now 29 days and 23 hours and 59 minutes. Okay? Okay, that's it. And then you will see the release amount withdraw. So tomorrow, after 12 hours, yeah, 12 hours only. Guys, again, I remind you, in one day, we receive two, two, two times earning. Okay? So the company twice in a day giving us a profit. Okay, so almost total amount of 8% to 1.2. Depends of the amount of your capital. Okay, so that's it. Oh. Release. So tomorrow, you later, after 12 hours, you will see the withdraw. Claim, all are highlighted. Okay, so that's it. Very easy. Once you withdraw, automatically, it will goes directly here in your wallet. Let's exit. Let's do exit. Okay, escape that. Then let's go to the asset. And then you will see here in our packet wallet here AS token, see, you will see it here that you will receive your withdrawal. Then after that, you can transfer again to other wallet like Binance Coins.ph if you want to convert to peso. Okay, so like what I'm doing, so I'm familiar, and this I'm always do this. I'm familiar. Yeah, I'm not expert, but I have a little knowledge how to convert this to peso. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So anything you want to assist, so feel free to contact me, guys. Okay, so that's all for now. For my son, staking is very successful. Okay, so yeah, so try to join your family now, guys. Okay, so don't be late, don't miss this opportunity. Start now while it's early. Okay, so that's all. God bless.